Welcome to the Baseface Network.
Hi, peace be upon you. Let's introduce ourselves. My name is Nora Shikin binti Muhammad Sharul. My metric number is 113110.
Hi, my name is Nur Yasmin binti Muhammad Fauzi. My metric number is 113116.
Hi, my name is Nura Imam binti Adnan. My metric number is 113146.
Annyeonghaseyo. My name is Nafaita binti Abdul Jamal. My metric number is 113130.
Hi Nora, let's together.
We want to eat Maggi and porridge.
Oh, what a chance! Let's eat together. Let's go.
Guys, I have an idea. What if we go to Waterfall during this mid-sem break?
Waterfall? Where? Is it nearby us?
Who want to drive a car? All of us doesn't have a driver lesson.
I have a driver lesson but only a lesson.
Very funny. We can book a Grab to take us there, but I need to get my mom permission first.
Okay, take your time.
We will for you.
Okay. Hi Nora, is this good news or the bad one?
Sorry guys, my mom refused to let me join you to Waterfall this break.
But why?
My mom tell me it's too dangerous because of the weather nowadays.
Yeah. What if we go to water park? Is it okay for you guys?
No, that's great.
Let's go. I have been searching that Lake Town Bukit Merah Resort have information for students.
Great! Let me proceed our plan.
Been checked that entrance ticket per person is just 85 ringgit. The price is include all of activities. That's amazing, right?
Yes, cheapest ticket but offer many activities.
With many activities, we can release our stress from studies.
Starting from now, we should save our money to rent a car and book our ticket.
To save our budget, I think we need to bring our own food.
But in my knowledge, Waterpark disallow us to bring food from outside.
Let's go, we continue our plan. Hurry up, eat your meal.
Ha ha ha, let's go!